Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I'm going to do a quick box opening of a watch I bought off of eBay, which actually happens to be a watchgang black watch. So bear with me, I've got a new camera and new microphone set up, so hopefully this video actually comes out pretty good. I guess the only way I'm going to figure the camera out is to start making videos and get used to it. So let's go ahead and rip this bad boy open here and take a look at what I got. Well, maybe we can rip it open. Alright. So, as you guys know from some of my other videos, I really liked the Szantos that came in the Watchgang Black memberships. And I told you guys, if you like them, hop on eBay, you might find some deals. So, this one is a SZ3003. And it is one of their motorsports versions. And I can tell you guys, I dig this. I love the vintage looks of the Szantos. So this one has a tachymeter bezel. It's a 43mm 316L stainless case. There again, it's got one of their nice thick leather bands with multi-holes, really cool looking. It's got lume, a lot of lume on the numerals and the hands there. The movement is a Japanese quartz 3-eye chronograph movement. Now, the research I did on my previous Szanto turned up that it had a Citizen Miyota movement in it, and I'm going to say this is more likely the same case for this watch as well. Now, this one's a little different because it does have the chrono complication on it, and I would say this is probably the Citizen JS20 movement in this one. Does have their logo on the crown. It is a standard push-pull crown. Also has the logo on the buckle, and it is a really nice thick leather strap. So if you go to Szanto's website, let's take a look at it on wrist really quick. Before we do that, wrist check. I am wearing my LumeTech RR3. That was a Watchgang Platinum membership watch. But like I said, I got this one off of eBay. If you go to Szanto's website, the list on this one, or retail on this one, is $275. And if you were a black member, you paid $99 for this one. And I was able to score this one off of eBay for a whopping $75 shipped. So like I said, guys, if you like these, definitely hop on eBay and give it a whirl. See what you come up with. I like how it looks on wrist. Very cool. I actually really like the Szantos. Seems like not that many people did, and you might be able to score some for a pretty reasonable price. Let me know what you guys think of this one. Now keep in mind, guys, if you're not subscribed, you do want to subscribe. We have some cool stuff coming up. There will be a watch giveaway at the end of the month, and then in February, me and my watch addiction are also doing same day box openings for the Aragon mystery box from Wing's birthday. So if you want to check that out, make sure you subscribe to both of us. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.